Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance, where we help you master the tools to build your brand. If you're creating video content, you've probably heard of these two apps, and they are PHANT AI and LIGHTWORKS. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, PHANT AI image and video maker is all about speed. Think AI that writes scripts, finds footage, and edits it for you. It's incredibly easy, perfect for beginners or anyone who needs to pump out professional-looking videos fast. Now LIGHTWORKS on the other hand, on a whole different level. It's like a whole different beast. It's an industry level editor used on actual Hollywood films. The learning curve is steeper, but the control is insane. For precision editing, color grading, and total creative freedom, LIGHTWORKS is a powerhouse. So the big question is price. PHANT AI has a great freemium model. LIGHTWORKS has a surprising robust free version, but you want the pro subscription for 4K. So the simple choice: if you want to edit faster, choose PHANT AI. If you want to edit better, choose LIGHTWORKS. Exactly. So it's all about your goals. It's all about your goals. So let's look at some features of it. Let's look at the core philosophy of PHANT AI. Is that it's AI powered simplicity. You get to create stunning videos in minutes, not hours. While LIGHTWORKS gives you professional, like we said before, professional premium. Yes, professional premium precise videos. The editor's choice is for full creative control. Now, who can use, or who is supposed to use, or who is PHANT AI best for? And the answer is beginners, content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs to produce high quality videos fast without a steep learning curve. LIGHTWORKS, on the other hand, is for filmmakers. Yes, as you said earlier, Hollywood grade. So for filmmakers, for professional editors, for YouTubers who want granular control over every frame and advanced color grading. When we look at the learning curve, that of Lighthouse is a steep learning curve. It's powerful, but it's complex. Mastery takes time, but offers unparalleled control. Why that of PHANT AI, when it comes to the learning curve or ease of use, is that it's extremely easy. It's intuitive, it has template-driven interface, and the AI handles the heavy lifting. When we look at the AI features that PHANT AI has, is that its main attraction is that it has AI scripts to video, automatic editing, smart asset matching, voice cloning, and one-click style transfer. While that of Lighthouse is integrated tools. Yes, it has integrated tools that include AI-powered object removal, audio cleanup, and smart color matching, but editing is primarily manual. Now look at the pricing. Well, that of LIGHTWORKS, it actually has a flexible tiers. Yes, it has a powerful free version with limited export options, but it also has a pro subscription that unlocks all features and resolution. While that of PHANT, like I said earlier, is a freemium plan or model, but the free tier has watermarks, and the subscription is affordable for full access to AI features and export quality. When we look at speed automation, that is the edge that PHANT AI has in 2025. Speed and automation. It's truly revolutionary. It's truly revolutionary for rapid content creation. It's like having an AI editing assistant. While what is the edge that LIGHTWORKS has? The edge it has is that it has raw power and reliability. It's a proven industry standard NLE, that is non-linear editor, that can handle any project from a short film to a documentary. So lastly, what we're going to look at the verdict. Yeah, the verdict is that PHANT AI Video Maker is your creative co-pilot. It's perfect for turning ideas into polished videos at the speed of thought. While that of LIGHTWORKS is that it's a directing chair. It's the ultimate tool for craftsmen who want to build their vision from the ground up. So let us know in the comment section which one you chose, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.